This video will explain Oscar's process flow, the role of the bot manager and Oscar's email ID. Oscar's flow is split into 5 steps. The first step is that it receives an email from a vendor. Usually the vendor is requested to send the invoice in a particular format such as PDF or Word. Oscar can handle multiple formats and is able at this stage to carry out some validations to screen who is sending the invoice. When it receives the email manager checks whether it is from a vendor that is already in Oscar's list of valid vendors. If not, it will send the invoice to the AP manager so that the vendor can be set up in the ERP system. In the next step, Oscar carries out its preprocessor activities. Invoices can come in many different formats, and there is a lot of information that may not be relevant to the reading of the invoice, such as terms and conditions. There may be blank pages which need to be ignored, or support documents which might need to be segregated from the actual invoice. Vendors sometimes send multiple invoices in the same document which need to be split into individual invoices. Oscar does all this work in the preprocessing stage. Next, Oscar will connect to the OCR engine, which will read the information from the invoice and pass into the hub where Oscar starts validating the information. The hub can carry out more than 30 different validations on the invoice, just as an AP employee would do. Once the invoice is approved, it is then ready for ERP integration. Oscar has the capability of connecting to various ERPs. The bot manager user role in the hub is critical. This person is effectively Oscar's human manager. The bot manager is responsible for, among other things, overseeing the Oscar accounts payable process, ensuring invoice issues are resolved, and ensuring invoices are approved on a timely basis. As with any new employee, Oscar requires its own company email ID. This email will be used to receive invoices from vendors for processing and for all notifications that Oscar needs to send out. As part of the Oscar getting started process, please arrange for this email to be created before moving to the next steps.